Oh shit. Take a picture.
Oh, fuck you.
It's right there.
Why?
Oh shit.
It's right there.
What the fuck?
You've seen it on.
I've never seen a tornado directly.
Never seen one? That's fucked up, dude. Yeah. Yes. That's what it's right. We are about. Do not slow down. Oh shit! It's fucking right in front of us.
Fuck you.
Okay, you are stopping at a green light.
Go!
Oh, fuck you. I think.
That's awesome.
Oh shit.
We're going right under that.
Yeah, we need to get out of here now.
Oh my god.
I think it was considered an emergency so we can go.
And look at that. Look at that shit. I was with a fucking green light. There you go. There you go. It's getting oh fuck you.
Oh, it's right there. It's right in front of us. It is right
Shit.
right
Holy fuck.
You're good.
Tell him no, we're just out.
Holy fuck.
Oh, fuck you.
This is not a good time.
Passing by it. As soon as we pass. No, it's to our right now. It is.
Yeah. I can tell because three people are fucking making a video of it.
We're almost past it now.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I know.
Look at that.
I know.
Look at it.
Oh, it's a touchdown.
It's fucking starting to That's awesome.
Oh wow.
That's fucked up.
Oh, this is so going on YouTube.
Oh my god. We are videoing.
We're videoing all of us.
Okay, hang up. I'm gonna video. God, that's so redneck.
Oh,
Right there. It's starting to form.
Oh,
shit, it's trees.
Close the window. Top window. Why we're doing three people just look on the road.
Oh, it's so wet. They don't want to lose those. I don't want to hack it.
Would you do me a favor? We make 3 videos. Could you please just look on the road?
Yeah.